everyone, welcome back to Elfo Deco. Today we are going to be making some marble trays with the eco-friendly resin, Aqua resin. And here's how they turned out to look like. I made these with two different techniques, and so I'll go over how I made each of them. Let's get started. So I already have my aqua resin mixed up and separated to save time. You can check out my previous tutorial to see how I mixed the aqua resin if needed. I am using some abstract trinket tray molds for this experiment because I think the abstract shapes are just perfect for this aesthetic. For the marble colors, I am using the Jesmonite red oxide pigment paired with the natural off-white color of the aqua resin. For the first marbling technique, we are dropping some pigments into the aqua resin mixture, swirling it just a little bit, and then pouring it into the mold. I can't seem to get the pigments to drop, so I'll just make some swirls in the mixture and see how that goes. For the pouring, I'm starting from the middle and circling outwards. You can pour any way you want to create your own marble patterns. For the second marbling technique, I will be layering the two colors into another cup, so like red, white, and so on. Here I'm just splitting up the rest of the mixture to create that red. There is no specific number of layers you need to pour for this or anything, but I do find that the more layers you do, the more the colors blend. So the marbling may not be too obvious. So you already kind of see the marbling in the cup, and again for this pour I am just circling out from the middle, but you can pour any way you want. So we'll just let these sit for about an hour and then come back to demold them. And here are the results. Look at that marbling. It's a little bit more squigglier than I had wanted it to be, but I guess that's just how I poured it. It's definitely very unique and pretty. Okay, so they're definitely different. The triangle one is a little bit more subtle, and I got pigment stuck on the mold for the squiggly tray, but I was able to clean that off with some blue tape, so no worries about that. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this little experiment, please like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below if you like the marbling for the squiggly tray more or this triangle one. I'll see you next time.